Bad driver. Right, right, right. Saan ang elevators? Saan po yung elevators?
Before we pass Ballroom, turn right po and then left.
Thank you. Naintindihan mata. Diyan tayo bukas. Diyan tayo bukas. Ayun yung wild rose. Right? Bawal dyan, oh. Kita mo ba? May barricade. Dito yung service team area. May nakikita. Okay. 12. Ay, swipe the card.
Ay, nasa akin. Ay, ano pa?
Huwag mo daw ilalapit sa phone mo. Okay, press.
Kasi mag-reactivate siya.
Ma...
Is that what it is?
You have to... 12. Ay. Press the phone.
Dapat ginupit ko na yun. Tanda ko na.
10:05.
Welcome to
8,
Edmonton
10, 11.
8.
Bukas marami ng tao dito sa elevator. Oops. Uy! Sorry. Oo. Are you okay? Anong number? Oh, out of order pa. 12:39. Sa dulo pa ata. Sa dulo pa? Oh my gulay. $32?
It's 12:39.
Oh my God. Bakit nasa isip ko 32? Ganda naman ang number niya. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, kalayo ka. At the very end? Oh my God. Walang 12:39? Wala. Oh, may elevator. Ah, service.
Ano to? Sasaksak? Ay,
Baliktad.
baliktad.
Yan, kaya na. Sorry, walang ilaw. Oh, walang ilaw. Ay, yung card. Papasok yung card. Wala namang pasukan ng card. Wala ring ilaw. Let there be light. Walang light.
It's so dark in here.
Huh? Light. Ayoko nang bumaba. Wala. Ay. Zero. Laki.
I'm checking out. It's a prank.
Day 2.
Day 2 of our unending travels.
Trouble. Kala ko troubles. Troubles pala.
That's it. Which one? Left, right?
Left.
I don't know if this is left.
Tigisa tayo ng susi, oh. Para just in
We're
case.
on the 12th floor and that's the view.
The view.
Canadian Tire.
Because we're in Canada.
Oh, where's my car? Somewhere.
Beautiful face.
I like that foundation.
Natural lang, no? May shade yun eh. Tatlo. Mas, yan yung pinaka-dark, 23. Hindi naman dark. Parang, mas... Halata pala yung nagbe-video.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Parang wala din. Nakakahiya din mag-video.
Open!
Ay, teka lang.
Sesame! Ay. She is gone. Oh.
Park pa siya. Handbrake.
Where are we?
Nag-handbrake. Ay, sorry.
So nice. There's a...
Bawal na akong pumasok.
There's no one. Nagtitipid sila ng water, guys. Ano ba si...
Alam ko sabihin mo eh. Morning. Ay, ako. Bukas na ba?
Hello.
Ay, good morning po.
Morning.
Sorry, yes po.
Do you want me to open the doors now? Sure. Okay.
Thank you po.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
White? Not black.
Wala ba? Ito ready? Okay, game.
In the stadium, the lights shine bright. Our team is ready for the fight. With
You are